Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see in the first 2 days the price has dropped down, reaching 1.07802 support level, and from here the price movement is this strong bullish candle, a bullish breakout, where the price is reached with a wick here 1.09281, and then from here the price is going to back down and then again form a strong bullish candle. On Friday the price retraces back down. So we can see this week it has been choppy, pretty volatile on the market, and it was very hard to trade in the second part of the week. Now the weekly time frame shows me that we have closed this week with a large candle body, which is a bullish one, and with large wicks on the upper side and the lower side. Monthly time frame has closed as a bullish, we can see that here, and currently we have the next one, which is here. So what we can expect regarding the bullish breakout on the previous month, this is indicating further rise in value for the bulls. We can see for the euro against US dollar, but how far we will see, because the price has already reached the top of this potentially resistance level on the monthly time frame, and also this one here. So how this month will close, we can see it is currently bullish, but anything can change, because we can see in 1 week the price can completely change the direction, this one here and this one here. Let's go to the daily time frame, which will show much more clear information about these levels. For now, the price has gone outside of this area where the price had where the price had these support and the resistance levels put here on the chart. Now I will make also this one for the next week and share with the traders inside the premium analysis this template, so they have also the levels for the daily, 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. For now, what I can see is the price has formed this bullish breakout above 1.09281. It can further rise in value, because also the second candle, which has been closed on Friday, formed on the Friday, has confirmed this bullish breakout as well, where the price did not go below this area of support and closed the day below, but it has bounced from here and it has closed above. This is indication of the further rise in value and also the bullish strength. 4-hour time frame shows me currently we have here a bullish pin bar movement at the support level, but it is not very clear, because I will put here also the levels, which will be much more clear information for us where the price is currently heading, and also what are the support and the resistance levels. For the 1-hour time frame, we can see also the price has formed a strong bullish candles here, not following these small support and the resistance levels on the 1-hour time frame. So we can see the price formed strong bullish candles that has to and make a bullish breakouts above several of these resistance levels. Now how the price will behave, we can see the price is currently sliding down, and it is formed a small downtrend, but the daily time frame and also the weekly time frame shows us that we are currently at the daily support level 1.09281, and then it will try to move to the higher price levels. I will clean up also this one, the chart, so you will also receive this updated inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. So for now, that's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.